Lawmakers vented their frustration over the social costs of online gambling, urging the BSP to remove all e-wallet links to gaming platforms within 48 hours or face contempt. Victims' families testified before the Senate, while PAGCOR defended stricter regulations over an outright ban. Our Daniel Manalastas narrates this report.
As the Senate started its hearing on online gambling, lots of senators pushed for the banning of this practice.
It does not matter whether it is legal or illegal, licensed or unlicensed. Online gambling is destroying our lives. Itigil na po natin ito.
Tayo po kaya, Mr. Chair, kikilos ba rin tayo? O hintayin na lang natin na lalong malulong ang ating mga kababayan, ang mga pamilya mawawasak?
Hindi pwedeng gamitin ang dahilan na dahil kumikita tayo sa online gambling sa pamamagitan ng buwis. Dapat timbangin din natin, isipin din natin yung social cost.
Some of the family members of victims who became addicted to online gambling also attended the hearing, and some cases were severe.
Nahibalaan na lang namo sa paghikog na niya nga ingana day ang iyang gihimo.
So nalaman po nila nung nag-suicide po siya, yan palang ginagawa niya, ginawa niyang online gambling.
The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP told senators that it gave e-wallet providers 48 hours to remove in-app links to online gambling platforms.
To deny links to all these online game platforms para wala na pong wala nang pag-uusapan. Can the BSP do that?
Yes, as the Monetary Board of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas has approved our policy that we direct the BSP supervised institutions to take down and remove all icons and links redirecting to online gambling sites.
But some senators are questioning this grace period.
I just don't get it, Mr. Chairman. Forgive me, Your Honors, my dear colleagues. It is not acceptable yung answer bakit kailangan ng 48 hours. We wanted to protect the public eh. Namamatay na nga yung mga tao eh.
So balato muna, 2 more days? Why do we give them 48 hours pa kung sure naman kayo? So kung may mamatay ng 48 hours kasi nalulundon, okay lang sa atin o sayang kita?
Sa Saturday, in-expect natin na committee na ito na wala ng games yan sa e-wallet na yan. Sa Saturday. Anong oras po sa Saturday? Umaga, tanghali, gabi?
48 hours po, so we give them until the end of Saturday to remove.
End of the Saturday. So, ibig sabihin, sige, pagbibigyan kita, Sunday morning, hindi ko na makita yung games sa mga e-wallets.
Apo, wala na.
Pag may nakita po ako, i-contempt kita. Pwede po. We have a problem. We have a crisis. Hindi po ito basta-basta.
Yes, Your Honor. And we'll also we will sanction also.
The e-wallet GCash said they will fully comply with the BSP's directive to remove links and icons that connect payment apps to online gambling. Meanwhile, if PAGCOR will be asked, online gambling is also an important source of income. That's why they are pushing for only strict regulations.
Meron din pong nakalulusot pag ang gamit nila yung mga fake na identification. Meron po naman talagang mga pangkasalukuyang mga regulasyon ang PAGCOR. Pero sa bilis po talaga ng trajectory or naging exponential po yung growth, magtatapat po kami na talagang naghahabol din kami. Kaya po ito'y isang magandang pagkakataon para ang PAGCOR po ay makita at maanalisa kung ano pa po ang mga pwedeng gawin.
It is expected that more hearings will be conducted on this issue. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.